today I brought a couple of my little helpers to help me record the video. We're going to be working on these 3 projects, and I hope you enjoy.
The first project that my mom is going to be working on is this pretty shelf for $5.99.
I started off by gently removing the back of the shelf.
Once the back is removed, she hammered down the nails. She then gave the shelf 3 coats of paint.
I painted both sides of the back piece white. Even though I'm going to be putting fabric on the one side, I wanted to make sure that none of the wood grain would show through the fabric, so it looked nice and bright.
My mom sprayed glue on the back of the shelf before she put the fabric on. Also, always use a mask when using sprays. After my mom was done flattening out the piece of fabric, she made a mixture of Mod Podge and water and applied it all over the piece of fabric. She did that because when it dries, it'll become more firm, and also it'll stick better to the piece of wood.
My mom used short staples to go in the staple gun so she could staple the fabric onto the board. My dad taught my mom to use the nail gun and she was excited. This is it all done and I think it's pretty. The next project that my mom is going to be working on is this corner shelf.
I gave the shelf a refresh with 2 coats of paint, and then I sanded the edges to add some character to it. And this isn't done. And this is the last project. Although this frame is really pretty gold, white frames that are decorative sell really well for me. I've actually already sold this frame before I was able to post the video. Once the wood filler was dry, I gave it an extra coat of paint, and then I distressed the entire frame with 120 grit sandpaper. When I do that, I usually wear a mask, and also I use a dry brush, to get rid of any of the dust.
This is it done.